Welcome back, everybody, to the Home Bartender with Ann. Real quick, Tim, I'm talking to you. Tim from the Spirit of the Cocktail. I have a new cocktail just for you. Today's cocktail is a really great way to try rums that you might like to start just sipping on. So I'm going to show you how to make a simple 3-ingredient cocktail, but first, I get to try it. So good. You can expect today's cocktail to be strong, but balanced. It's gonna have a slightly sweet profile, but it will have a touch of citrus in there. And it literally gets better as it sits in this crushed ice. I used Diplomatico rum here today, which is just a really straightforward rum, nothing dominant about it at all, but it is slightly sweet. It's well-rounded. I think that this makes this cocktail an easy sipper and really quite smooth. It's very, very simple to make, and I love it. It's my new favorite cocktail. So Tim, hey, welcome to your new favorite cocktail. I'm gonna make grog today, so stick around and I'll give you the ingredients for this coming up next. Grog's been around since the 1700s. It came out of Britain and is named for Vice Admiral Edward Vernon. His nickname was Grogrum, or Old Grog, and Old Admiral Ed wore a badass cloak on his ship, which was made of mohair. So mohair is silk and wool weaved together. I never knew that, didn't need to know that. Did you know that? It's in a Elton John song. Can you guess which one? Tell me in the comments. The name of the fabric that the cloak was actually made out of, or mohair, was also called Grogram. So he was lovingly named Old Grog, which is short for Grogram, because of the cloak. He was very well respected and always fought for better conditions for sailors. I'm not going to go deep into the history of rum or Old Grog's journey here. I just wanted to tell you how grog got its name. So anyway, this is a 3-ingredient cocktail, and I build it in the glass. So let's start with ½ ounce of Demerara simple syrup. ½ ounce of fresh lime juice. That lime juice really brings out the sweetness of our next ingredient, which is 2 ounces of Diplomatico rum. You can use Diplomatico or another blended aged rum. This rum is sweet, but it kind of lacks that banana funk that, say, Smith & Cross or Appleton 8 would have, but that's a different cocktail altogether. I have tried this with El Dorado 12-year, and I liked the Diplomatico best. It's a pretty well-rounded rum here. So ice next. And a Surfside sips. I don't garnish this one because I doubt that anybody on Old Grog's ship thought about garnishing anything in the first place. So that's it, this is grog. Today's cocktail is from the Smugglers Cove book. It's on page 165, right here. I really like this cocktail because it is so easy to make. If I get a new rum and I want to try out that rum just by itself, then I always make a daiquiri or this cocktail, which for me is the exact same specs. It's just different glassware and it has ice. So simple, so easy, and so flavorful. I really hope that you will try it. And if you do, please let me know in the comments. Good luck beating Tim to the comments or reshaking it first and posting it on Instagram. If you do any of that, please tag me over on Instagram and let me know that you did. That's it for me today. Watch one of the upcoming playlists. There's some really great cocktails in there that I know that you will really enjoy. See you next time at my home bar. Be well.